Hello, I'm your host, Eric LePage. In this episode of Digital Bridges, we'll discover how faculty and students are using the social media tool Storify to collect Facebook postings, Twitter tweets, YouTube videos, and photos from around the world, or simply from fellow class members, and pull it all together contextually to produce compelling news stories. So, what is Storify? Well, according to the good folks at Storify.com, Storify is used to create stories using social media, turn what people post on social media into compelling stories, collect the best photos, videos, tweets, and more to publish. Signing up for a Storify account is easy. Navigate to Storify.com and click the Sign Up Now button. You can choose to link your Facebook or Twitter account to Storify for easy login, or simply create a new account. I'll log in with my own account, which is linked to Twitter. Creating a Storify is a breeze once you know what you want to create. I'll start by clicking the Create Story button. Your Storify screen is split into two halves. The left side is your storyboard side for putting your Storify together, and the right side is your collection area for locating social media content. Although you can create a Storify pulling in content that has only been created by you, in this example, I'm going to create a Storify pulling in content created by others. Let's create a Storify on the Mars rover landing. To start with, we'll title our Storify simply as Mars Rover. We'll also add a subheading. I'll click in the Enter a Description area to add my subheading. Now we can start adding some media content. You'll see the different content areas on the right-hand side, such as other Storifys, Twitter posts, public Facebook posts, YouTube, Flickr, Instagram, and Google search results. Storify provides other additional services to search through as well. Click the plus sign for more options. Let's start by looking for an image of Mars that we can include below our title. We'll add an image from Flickr. Once I've located the image that I want, I simply drag and drop it over to the left-hand side. Next, let's create a new section by clicking below the Mars photo. We'll title this Prepping the Landing so that we can include videos, photos, and links on this topic. We'll keep it simple again and just add a YouTube video link by clicking the YouTube icon, and this time typing in Mars rover. Let's find the National Geographic video. Simply drag and drop it over to the location you want on your storyboard. Let's create another section called The Historical Landing Occurs. And now search in YouTube for Mars Curiosity Landing. Let's scroll down and select the Curiosity Has Landed video and drag and drop that over to our storyboard. Now let's include some photos taken by the Mars rover Curiosity. I'll click the Flickr link and perform a search on Mars Curiosity. Try other search words as well to find the photos that best suit your needs. Drag and drop the photos you like over to your Storify storyboard. Finally, let's create our last section and title it, For More Photos, Videos, and News on the Mars Rover, Visit NASA.org. We'll click the Google link and perform a search on NASA. Let's drag and drop the NASA website over to our storyboard. Now you have the option of saving your draft or going right ahead and publishing your Storify to the world. There's the Save Now button, and here is the Publish button to publish. I'll click the Publish button to go ahead and publish my Storify. Storify provides you with several options for publishing, such as sharing the link to your Storify in your Twitter or Facebook feeds. In addition, choose which section of Storify your story will appear in. There are many topics to choose from. In this example, I'll select Science. And just be aware that all content in your Storify provides appropriate credit to the creator or sharer of the content you found. Click Submit when you're finished. In my example, Storify was used to pull in content from throughout the web to create a unified Storify story. Storify can also be used to pull in content that your own students have created. You can also have students create their own media content, such as Twitter posts, Flickr pictures, and YouTube videos, and pull that content into a Storify, or even have them work in teams to do the same. Storify is a creative way to give context to the wealth of materials being created by your students and the worldwide community beyond. Thanks for watching this episode of the Digital Bridges podcast. Eric LePage signing off.